Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the what is Azure Active Directory. Let's get started. Azure Active Directory or Azure AD is a cloud-based identity and access management service developed by Microsoft. It helps organizations manage user identities, devices, and application access in a secure and centralized way. With Azure AD, users can sign in once and access multiple applications through single sign-on or SSO. It also provides strong security features such as multi-factor authentication or MFA, access control, and identity protection. Azure Active Directory supports modern workplaces by enabling secure access to company resources from anywhere on any device, including Windows, Mac OS, and mobile devices. Okay, in simple terms, Azure AD acts as the main gatekeeper that controls who can log in, what they can access, and how securely they can do it. Okay, I hope you understand about the term of Azure Active Directory or Azure AD. Okay, Azure AD is a cloud-based identity and process management service from Microsoft that helps organizations manage user devices and access to applications securely. Okay, you can see on this picture. I will explain you more based on this picture. User accounts. Azure AD stores and manage user identities such as work email addresses, password, user groups. This allows companies to control who can access company resources. Okay. Single sign-on or SSO. With Azure AD, user can log in once and access many applications such as Microsoft 365 cloud apps, internal apps without logging in repeatedly. One login for many apps. Device management. Azure AD support devices such as Windows, Mac OS, and mobile devices. Organizations can register or join devices and apply access rules based on the device. Security and MFA multi-factor authentication. Azure AD improves security using password plus additional verification OTP, phone authenticator apps, protection against unauthorized access. Access control and conditional access. Azure AD can decide who can access what based on conditions like user identity, device status, location, risk level. Cloud-based directory and identity protection. Azure AD works fully in the cloud, helping organizations protect identities, detect suspicious activity, and reduce security risks. Okay, the point of this picture, Azure Active Directory is the central cloud system that manages user and devices, provide secure login, SSO and MFA, control access to application, protect company identities. Okay, Azure AD is equal with digital gatekeeper for user, devices, and apps in the cloud. And then what the correlation Azure AD with MDM and MDM. Okay, before we have learned about the ABM, Apple Business Manager, and MDM, Mobile Device Management. Simple view. Think of a company as an office building. Azure AD is who the person is to check identity and login. And for ABM, Apple Business Manager, who owns the device. Company own Apple devices. Okay. ABM about for ownership. Azure AD about the identity. But for MDM, for example, Mozilla, we have learned about this before, how the device is controlled, policies, app security. They work together, not replace each other. Azure Active Directory. The role of this identity and access control. Azure AD will answer who is the user, what apps can they access, can they log in, do they need MFA. For example, user login, email and password, single sign-on, MFA, and conditional access, app access, Microsoft 365, VPN, cloud apps. ABM, Apple Business Manager, the role of this, Apple device ownership and enrollment. ABM will answer, is this iPhone or Mac owned by the company? Which MDM should manage this device? What ABM does? Automatically enrolls Apple device to MDM, prevents user from removing MDM, link Apple devices to the company. ABM is equal with Apple Device Registry. ABM does not manage user or security policies. MDM, and one of the example MDM is Mozilla. The role of this, device management and security. MDM will answer what apps are installed, what settings are enforced, is the device compliant. What MDM does. MDM will push apps and profiles, enforce password and encryption, log, wipe or monitor devices, apply security rules. Okay, MDM is equal with device control center. And how they work together. For example, new employee joins Azure AD, create user account, email group access, ABM, company buys Mac or iPhone, device is automatically assigned to MDM. MDM device enroll automatically installs apps and security policies, links device to the user via Azure or via Azure AD login. Okay, if employee resign, Azure AD will disable user account, user loses access to apps. MDM will lock or wipe. Company data will be removed by MDM, and ABM device test owned by company ready for reassignment. Okay, I hope you understand for this Azure Active Directory. If you have any question about this, you can comment on below this video. Thanks so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time and goodbye.